welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix the Generals a Zero Hour to make the best game ever. Well, last video we have continued efforts for merging Ukrainian language text into our multi-SDR file. Where we got the second revision is ready to merge. So perhaps we look once more over it to really make sure that nothing looks awfully odd. Yeah, I guess we try to review it here. If that diff is loading. This STR file is quite huge now. It's over 5 megabytes, so working with this can be a little bit of pain in certain tools. But it still works, by the looks of it. Okay, let's scroll over it. Mr. Bad Dude. Mr. Bad Dude. Sure. Yeah, okay, we are almost halfway through. Yeah, so far so good, I would say. Obviously, I'm not reading every line, but I'm looking over it if I see any like big issues. Right, like the format being wrong. Like what would be catastrophic, for example, if if a quote symbol at the end was missing, then we would have a problem. I'm actually not sure how the tool would react. Actually, let's test this. Let's say we go to our str file. Yeah. Currently, we have no edits on it, right? No. Okay, and then I go here to the top and I just remove game options. Here, this one symbol. Yeah. Let's see what happens now. Okay, so we build. Let's see that builds. Oh, just realized it's building full English first, so we need to wait a moment. Because yesterday we had built core English, and that purges all the optional files. We need new settings here. We have here. Okay, game text compiler failed to execute commands. Failed to load. Error string. Execution stopped with error. Failed to load. Execution stop with error, execution error at command load str languages and error string. So it does run into error, but it doesn't really give us a good representation of where this error is, right? It doesn't give us a line. This cosec is from Python, so that's not relevant. This one is from the compiled program, game text compiler. Yeah, so here this is the error from game text compiler, but that doesn't help much. On that note, let's go to Super Hackers, Super Thyme, issues. Help. Compiler needs additional validation checks. Game design needs additional. Currently, it soft fails when there's a formatting. It can swallow string definitions without showing errors. Okay, let's just add a comment here. Game text compiler will fail if closing quote is missing, but error is not very descriptive. Needs improvements. Yeah, so ideally the game text compiler has a little bit of robustness, and like gives you nice errors if it detects bad formats errors. But at least it fails. I think that's already good. It tells you something is wrong. Well, it does have some error formatting here. Execution error at command error string, but here we would need to have something in here. It's just empty. Maybe we should also have a line. Error string, line, this, something like that. Will fail if closing quote is missing, but error is not very, needs improvement. Maybe we also say how we tested it. Tested with okay. Good. Yeah, this is something that we need to work on. Once we're done with the textures, and I would like to start with game text compiler cleanup and fixing and polishing. Okay, good. Then let's get back to, first we need to revert this here to make sure that this is now working, which hopefully it is. Seems like it is. And now it will compile all the textures. Yeah, okay. Then let's get back to our review. Good. This minus symbol here. Let's copy this real quick. Look for minus symbol. Here the hint is missing. Okay. Some errors here. We need to fix that in the follow-up. Okay. Okay, something is wrong here. Here we are missing the N. And I think this N is obsolete. Google Translate. Ukraine. Ukraine. Eliminate the American threat to release the prisoners of war. Yeah. Okay. So he removed the N here by accident. Yeah. Or I did when I touched it, I don't know. Yeah, it's easy to make mistakes with these texts. Can always happen. That's why you need to review them over and over carefully. Okay, here we have some problem as well. Here you move this. Okay, so that. I think what really helps you with review is having the other languages nearby, so you can always look, okay, how are the other languages formatted one by one. That really makes it much easier to review. Otherwise, you would have to jump from file to file and search where's the reference string, blah, blah. Makes it much more annoying. But this one is very efficient here. But leads to very huge files. It's okay. It's just a text file. It's innocent. All right. AC. AC. Okay, we're almost through. What happened here? Okay, here we have one too many line breaks by the looks of it. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. Credits. What is the same? Oops. Okay, we are through the review. Then, yeah, we found 3 errors or so. That's good. Yeah. That's good, that's good, that's good. Well, just small things. Fix minor errors. Good, then let's push this. And then I think that this is ready to merge. Refresh. Is there anything else left to merge? No. I need to clean up this list here. There's too much junk in there. Okay. Pushed, fixed minor errors. Good. Then squash and merge. Confirm, squash, and merge. Good. Text. Okay, let's do a text Ukraine 3. Okay. Next I would like to fix a hotkey format. How do we do this? So let's search for any hotkey here. So it's currently written as with brackets here. Question is, can we simply text search replace? Let's see. Let's take this one here. That's my current search filter. Let's only take generals str. Okay, that won't work. Okay, but we can search for this. Yeah. Okay. This should work. And then we replace this with colon space. Right? Colon space. And yeah. Let's see. Yeah. And then we take this and replace this with that. Oh, that's not right. Yeah, but that's not right. That doesn't work. Let's revert our change. We do have a script to do this. Fix rename key mappings. Let's open this. Yeah. Rename key mappings. Good. Oof. Okay, so my hope is if I run this, it just fixes it. Let's see. Help menu folder. Data, copy paste, .str.old. Okay, let's run this. It's not running. Run code. Okay, it did something. Uh-huh. Okay, that's good. That magically worked. Mhm. Looks like the code I wrote here is all good. Yeah. Mhm. Okay. Good. Then let's put this back. Okay. Then we need to check. Yeah, I see no obvious mistake. I will trust that this is good because we have used this in the past as well, so probably is okay. Good. Then let's see if a file still builds. Yes, it does. Good. Then we will go to here. So this is just fix key mapping formats for Ukrainian texts, Ukrainian language texts. Well, let's say not fix, change. Okay, commit. Okay, then we can also push this. Labels, text, minor, patch. This change just the key mapping form for Ukrainian languages like we did for the other languages. Yeah, I was thinking very long about the type of format to use. Like, first idea was with like bracket and also with these parentheses. But then I said that, okay, how about we just put a colon, space, and then the letter. So that the letter is standing free, you know? There's no symbols around the letter. It's just the bright colored letter, which and in uppercase, which I thought was the best way to visualize the key mapping. So it's not in text. Like, so the original for all the languages was that some letter, except for Chinese and Korean, would be highlighted. So here, advanced nuclear reactor. So for example, here the ampersand was placed in front of this big R or in front of this R, right? So the key mapping would be part of the actual text here, somewhere in between. But the disadvantage of this is that it's harder to see it at a glance. Like, you need to read the name to really see where the key mapping is, right? So here, barracks, the B would be yellow, right? And here, stinger, the T. But the T is very small, the first T after S, stinger, right? So, but putting it at the end with a capital letter, I think that's a really nice way to. It's simple. It's like you see it, you know where to look. Okay, you look at the end of the sentence. It's a yellow letter standing alone. There's no other symbols around it. And I think that's very clean. Yeah. So I personally, I like this the most. It's clean. It's consistent across all languages. It just works, right? U, B. Yeah, so yeah, I think this is good. Good. Just a short explanation of why it is the way it is. Okay, so yeah, I think this is looking good. All right. Generated with scripts. Should be good. Generated with Python script. Should be good. Okay, squash. All right, delete. Okay, the next is I would like to look for this one here. Mission objective class. Here. Phonics transmission hints. This change fixes inconsistency in mission text for all languages. All languages. So for Ukrainian, we don't need to do any special documentation because it's a new language. So it doesn't need, like if we do changes to English, then obviously we need to document all changes. But if we now adjust Ukrainian to be fixed like English, then we don't need to document all this stuff because essentially Ukrainian is a new language, right? It's not original game content. So I don't think I will add like here documentation for that. So what we will do, correct words. Superfluous white space, missing colon symbols, missing line breaks, incorrect words. Okay, but so it looks like mission objective, hint, warning, transmissions. These are the only things, yeah. Okay, before that, let's look for this minus symbol though. There was also an action item. Yeah, it's used a few times in Ukrainian. I mean, this seems to be not wrong. But then the question is, does UK perhaps use this symbol? Oh shit. This is why I hate these thingies. They make lookups harder. How about we delete this? Oh. Okay, so here they put the small minus. Look at that, see? So here's a big minus. And here's a small minus, so we need to fix this one. And here they put two minuses, but then we should put the big minus again, right? So there's some inconsistencies here. Here they have the big minus again. And here they have the two minuses again. So let's make this all consistent. Maybe we also need to check the other languages. Okay, here it's correct. Whoa, how much is that? Hell no. Okay, yeah, let's delete these things here. This is not nice. Perhaps we change this to that, to not interfere with our searches. Yeah, let's do it like this. Okay. Then let's look once more for these things here. So German uses, I see different, let's make this. So the German is also a bigger minus, but it's not this minus, it's a different minus. What the hell? And here's this one shot. Okay, so Italian uses small. Oh boy. Okay, let's take this as reference for now. Let's keep it big, it's easier to see. Okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, so next one we have the German uses now 2 instead of 1. French is consistent. Italian uses 1 still, that's good. Korean 2. Chinese 2 as well. This is also consistent. Okay, so we have mismatch in the German one. Only in German, right? German. Only in the German. Okay, let's look at the next one. Yeah. Okay, here German has 2 again. The French one is inconsistent. It's not, doesn't have the space here. The Polish is also missing stuff here. Oh. Okay, so by the looks of it, German needs fixing. Okay, so for the French, you put the space here. Okay. Space. So Brazilian uses 1 and Italian uses 1. Portuguese 1, Italian 1. The other use 2. And no idea what there's line break here. The Arabic. Okay, let's go back up here. So did we want to change anything here? The Polish is missing text here. Okay. Okay, so for the German, we put the 2 minuses here. And the rest is okay. Okay, so Polish, hospital, capture to allow. English, Polish. Capture to allow all infantry to hear automatically. Capture to allow all infantry to hear. Yeah, let's go with this for now. If a Polish person can make a better text, then be my guest. think we end with a dot. Okay, Alderic. Capture to receive additional funds. So this is minus minus. Minus minus. Okay. Good, this should be good now. Okay, are Polish sentences ending on a dot or not? Here they are. Guess put the dot here. No. Most other languages also don't have. How about we just search for this here? Object tech. That makes it easier to see, I guess. Okay, so we have inconsistent dotting here, right? Dot, dot, dot. Okay, so capture to receive additional vehicles. Okay. Ja, open. Capture to bombard land-based enemies. Wow, how about it? What would it translate to? Yeah, that's not a good translation. Okay, so more problems than I initially thought. Okay, so here on Espanol, we also have a missing line here, and here, and here, and here. Espanol. Okay, let's go. Let's look one language after another. So here we have English is fine. English is fine. English fine. 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 Good. So English is fine. Now the German. Okay, it ends with a dot. Italian does not. These do. Yeah. Okay, then we should keep that consistent as well. So, dots. Okay. Okay, here we are missing a dot. And here as well. Here. And here. Okay, artillery platform. Also missing dots. Repair pads. Italian suddenly has this colon here, but it should have one minus. And here, not ending on a dot. It's a bunch of inconsistencies here. This one should also end on a dot, and this as well. The Chinese. Chinese should also end on a dot. Repair bay. Also dots. Dots. Okay. So German repair platform. Capture repair vehicles. Capture repair vehicles across the battlefield. How about, it should be similar to here. Let's do Yeah, it's consistent with infantry then. And it on a dot. Okay, here we are also missing. Here we're missing a dot. Okay, let's see if the German is good now. No, there's still one missing. Repair pad. Repair bay. Repair pads. Okay, capture. I guess. Tech. Obviously, we need to document all these changes. Okay, but the German looks good now. Okay, next French. 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 Okay. Okay. Okay, here we are missing text. Conquérir. Perhaps we should use conquérir. What did it use before? Sen, emperor. Capturing. Yeah, conquer is... Yeah, capturing is better. Let's do... Let's do... Capture is... Capture. Good. I think this will work. Ah, he'd also use this, but it's small. Why is it capture la? I'm not sure. Okay, take here. Capturer pour réparer automatiquement les véhicules. Guess, maybe. Yeah, I guess a French person can make improvement pass if so needed. We got another here. By the way, this is wrong. They use colon, right? Yeah. Here's well. Colon. Okay, what else? Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure if it should be capture la. It's not clear to me. Ah. Okay, that makes sense. Let's do that. Okay. And I think French is good. see some Italian sentences. Okay, Italian. What are the rules on dots? French ends on dots, German not. Oh boy. Here. German ends on dots. This as well. Okay, so okay, then let's, I think we end all except English and those three here, the bottom ones. All except English end on dots. Yeah. So here, dot. Here, dot. Okay. Dot. Okay. Dots. Okay. Then let's check if French is looking good now. Yeah, I think French is good. Okay, next, Spanish. Captura, para. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think Spanish looks okay in principle. Italian. Garage. Garage. Okay, here it looks like we should start with a capital C. Because the other places the also does. Okay, that fixes this. Okay. Korean, Chinese, yeah, let's see. So here we are missing text for Chinese. But translation for this, let's see. Putting text for the Asian languages is always risky. Yeah, that doesn't translate well. Yeah, no. Let's leave it. Okay, what does this say? Okay, I think here we can maybe put the minus minus. Yeah. Yeah, so Chinese is missing a bunch of explanations. But yeah, I don't know how to translate this properly. So let's leave it. Okay, Polish. No, Brazilian. Brazilian, this one looks good. This one, hold on. Brazilian, it uses a single minus. Yeah, okay. Then this is good as well. This is good as well. This one has 2 minuses. And this one has a bigger minus. Hold on, there's a bunch of inconsistencies here. So it's using a short minus here. Here it's using a bigger minus. Then 2 minuses, then a smaller minus. Okay, but the overall seems to be using the smaller minus. So let's go with that. Here, a smaller minus. Single minus. There we go. Okay. Then I think Brazilian is good. Good. Then the next is Polish. Spital. Spital. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, this one we touched, right? The tech oil derrick. Capture to receive. Does this translate well or not? English, Polish, catch, catch. How about this one here? Capture, yeah. Capture. So if we translate this, yeah. Okay, let's go to the next one. Did we put this here? Hold on, oil refinery. Oil refinery. Oof. No, we just put the dots. What does this translate to? Capture. Okay. Then let's leave that. I don't know why the word is different every time. But then again, I bounce. Okay. I don't know if this word is correct here. It looks like every time they word it differently. It's kind of weird. Okay, so here it's certainly Z. Okay, capture to receive additional vehicles. Okay, let's take that. And here we have capture to repair. Capture to repair vehicles. To repair vehicles automatically. Let's go with that. Okay. Missing a dot here. Okay, let's see. So we added the hospital. Let's see if it translates well. Capture to allow all infantry to automatically heal. Yeah. How about we simplify this to capture to heal all infantry automatically. I don't know if zlap is good word. That's catch. Yeah, no. Capture. To automatically. Okay, how about we take this? Tech hospital. Okay, does this make sense? Maybe. Okay, oil derrick. Let's see what this says. Capture to receive additional funds. Yeah, okay. Let's see this one here. Take over to reduce the cost of vehicles and aircraft. Take over. How about we use the same word here? Capture. What does this say here? Bounce. To bombard enemies on the ground. How about we also say this one here? Capture. To bomb enemies on the ground. I think that makes more sense. Platform. Occupy this facility and your vehicles will be repaired here. Yeah, let's keep it. Okay, this one looks consistent with Tech Hospital. That's good. And here we have this capture to receive additional vehicles. I think so. To me, it makes sense. I mean, obviously, Polish guy can come and make it better, if so applicable. But in principle, to me, it just makes sense. Okay. And the Ukrainian we have already processed. That's okay. Okay, we need to document everything that was not Ukrainian. By the way, you can maybe also check if the Russian is consistent. Yeah. Okay, then there's a little bit of documentation required. By the way, we can revert this one here, resets. All right. So, hospital. Do we need to document this? Not really. The dots also not. But this one here. Tech hospital. Good, so put page 104p. Oh, I totally forgot how we document things. Let me find some reference here. Okay, add fix. Today is 27th September 24. Adds missing sentence for PL or to PL. How do we document this typically? This here. Let's look through some NDE. Okay. Good. Let's say fixes PL from. So it was just this spital, right? Let's see. Fixes PL from spital, yeah. Okay, and I think the dot thing is we don't need to explicitly document here. That's, yeah, details. What we can say though, I think in the global section there is some about the dots, and we can just add the pull number there then. Okay, what do we have here? Tech oil derrick. Tech oil derrick. Tech oil derrick here. Here. This. How about we changes PL from changes DE from this. So basically here we just change this one word here, because this means to win something, which we don't win, but we get it awarded, right? Receive. What else do we change? Okay, here, Polish. Changes PL from just this. And that's it. Okay, next. Tech oil refinery. Okay, here we just added the dots. Okay, so we already, Commie made a change here. Clarifies in all Latin languages that the object bonus also affects aircraft. Yeah. Okay, so now changes, what did we change? PL. Changes PL from I think originally it was this Polish. This I think was the original. Changes PL. Okay, what else? That's it. Good. Then next, tech artillery platform. Let's call this tweak. Okay, fix. Changes DE from artillery platform. Yeah. And FR was changed from this. Capture up. Okay. Okay. And Polish was changed from this. Changes PL from that. Okay. Then tech repair pad. Tech repair pad. Changes DE from Reparatur platform. And this doesn't need documentation really. This also not. capture, Brazilian capture. That also doesn't need documentation, and that also not. Yeah. Yeah, the others are just like small symbol fixes here and there. Good. Next. It's also called the same. Repair pads. So they have the same name. That's not good. This is a. Let's see. Pad. Hospital. Oil derrick. Oil refinery. Repair pads. Okay, here I see a problem. This one should probably be without the tick. Right. Changes US from tech repair bay. Okay, repair bay. What does this translate to in German? Yeah, that doesn't make sense. Repair pads. Repair pads. How about we rename this to Werkstatt? Reparatur Werkstatt. Yeah, I think this makes sense. Okay. I think this makes sense. Maybe. Okay, so repair bay. Okay, French we changed. Then we also put here. So this was this. Changes F. Tech. Hold on. Hold on. I'm a bit confused right now. This. Here's repair pad. Hold on. Right. So we have anything else here? Hold on. There's more to document, right? No, that is fine. Good. We are here. Yeah. Okay, tech repair bay. We changed to repair bay. Then we got this one, repair bay. Okay, now the French one, yeah. We need to go here, repair bay. Okay, changes FR from this. Did we change the German? Yes, we did. Changes DE from that. Okay. And so they all have this technicos, technicas, tech. Is this really necessary? Let's see. French tech repair. How about just that? Done. Spanish. Spanish, yeah. Technicis. Garage. I don't know about the Spanish. Repa. Comparts. Let's go French to Spanish. Plataforma de reparación. Yeah, this makes sense to me. Perhaps we should rename it to that. Yeah. I think that makes sense. And for Portuguese, Brazil is the same. Plataforma de reparo. Put that here. Okay, this means we need to document that as well. Changes. Oh, I have to copy it from here. Okay, changes ES and BP from this one. Okay, what else did we change? We changed the Polish as well. Changes PL from this. Okay. The garage is wild, but let's keep it. Garage. Okay. What does a tech repair pet say here? Oh, hold on. Plataforma de repararos. Oh. Now they have the same name. Okay, how about Central. Oof. Okay, what does this translate to in French? Let's go here with German. Atelier. Yeah, how about we take this? Atelier de réparation. And then we do the same for Spanish. Yeah, Spanish. Taller. Okay. And here, Portuguese. Portuguese Brazil. So the repair pad where the vehicle can be repaired on this facility, we call this atelier, taller, centro, oficina, and on the repair bay, which repairs all the cars across the world, that is a platform. Plataforma. I hope that makes sense. But now the Polish is still the same. Let's check it on Polish. Polish. Warsztat. Okay, let's take this. I don't know about the ending here, if it should be an A or a Y. Let's see. English. Repair shop. Yeah, let's go with this. Okay, so what is this here? Centro Italian repair center. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so tech repair pad changes FR from this Then changes Spanish from this. Yes. Okay. And changes BP from this. BP. And PL from this. Okay, it's quite a lot of stuff here in those tech buildings. My gosh. Okay, so basically we have renamed the platform to repair facility, because it is a facility where you send your cars to and then they get repaired and at this facility. Repair shop, repair shop. So this could actually be called repair shop then, but I guess we can repair this also. Okay. Okay, so that's a repair shop. Let's put a comment here. Don't need to. Okay, and the repair bay, that's something that somehow magically repairs everything. Yeah. I mean, platform is also a strange name, but I don't know. Repair bay. Platformer, yeah, I guess it's fine. Yeah. Okay, let's see if we have it all documented now. So we have documented you. Let's refresh here. Okay, we changed US, DEFRES, and BP. What did it say before? Portuguese technical repairs wing. Okay. Whatever that means. Here. Oops. What was the other? Technicas. What did this mean? Spanish. Share repair techniques. Share repair techniques. What does it translate to in German? Well, doesn't make much sense to me. I think Plataforma de Reparación, I think that makes sense. Repair platform. Yeah. Even I can understand that. Plataforma. Plataforma de Reparación. Ha ha ha. Okay. Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah, let's double check this one here. Oficina repair shop. Yeah, and this here then is the repair platform, right? Repair platform. Yeah. Okay, I think this this is a okay translation. Okay, let's get to the last one. Tech reinforcement pads. Okay, there we also need some documentation. So changes DE from this. Is that a good name? And that's on German, English. I mean, literal translation. This one. I mean, it sounds okay, but that's I wonder if we should keep this text thing then. So here we plateforme de réparation tag. Perhaps we keep the tag because it's also in here. Tag. I don't know. Perhaps we keep the tag. Tag. So then it's técnicas. Español. Técnicas. Reparados técnicos. Here. Okay. Then we would put the same here. Técnicos. Spanish. Técnicas. And French tech. Does that make sense? Atelier de réparation tech. Atelier de réparation técnicas. But originally it did not say this. I think it's to clarify that it repairs. But I mean, is this really necessary? Like, of course, you only repair cars, tanks, tech. What else would you repair? I mean, it's kind of implicit, isn't it? If you repair something, it's something technical. So I don't think we really need this. If we really think about it, I think it's obsolete. Let's remove it. Technicos. Then we can also remove it from here. Technico. Like why? Okay, what did we change here? Okay, changes FR from that. Changes Spanish. Okay. And Polish from this. Changes PL from that. Okay, so here my suggestion would be to also remove this tag here. Let me say here ES and BP. BP from this. Okay, so Spanish, we would say plataforma refuerzo, right? Spanish reinforcement platform, yeah. And then here, plataforma de reinforce. All right, I think that is sufficient. French reinforcement platform, yeah. We remove this. And here, plataforma de repararos técnicos, delete. I think that is much simpler, yeah. What does this say here? Polish. Meal drop platform. Okay, let's leave it. The meal, yeah, okay, all right. Meal drop platform. I mean, did they literally translate it to meal? Yeah, they did. In German, it also translates to meal. Okay. Maybe this. Maybe the translator was extra funny there. Okay. I mean, who's gonna double check what the translator puts there, right? He just puts the text and the game developers, they will just take it. So realistically, the Polish translator, he can put anything he wants. He can write, fuck you, bitches. And no one will bat an eye. Okay, so we change the FR, put the text in here, change Spanish, remove the technical, reparaos, yeah, okay, I think we documented all the changes. Let's call this, this is tweak. This is fixed because it's adding missing text. Tweak, we just removed the tag. And here, no, this one is also fixed because this also has the extra sentence added. But here, plataforma, so here, this is tweak. This is also tweak. And Polish is fixed. And here is tweak. Spanish is also tweak. And English is also tweak. This is also tweak. 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 Okay. Artilleria. Yeah, these are all fixes. Raffineria. Tweak. Fix. Fix. This is tweak. And this is fix. Okay, if I did not make mistake, we have it all documented and we have improved, hopefully, the text. So we added missing explanations for some of the languages and text. We fixed the symbols, made them consistent across all the tech buildings, unless I missed something. We added the dots at the end where applicable. And yeah, this should be okay. Only Chinese I did not do because yeah, I don't know enough about Chinese. Okay, let's have one more look through this thing. Yes, and in German, the infantry guys are called cyborgs, so this is not wrong. This is the censored translation. Yeah. Here I am missing a pull number. Okay, artillery platform. Okay, I hope the fixes make sense. Yeah. Good. Then this wasn't so much a Ukrainian fix, but a general fix. Okay. Fix, improve, tech building, tech building object descriptions for all Latin languages. Okay. Good. Then let's commit this. Commit. And we can push this. Obviously we need to document stuff there. But we don't need to do this now. We can just leave it here. Call it text. Minor. Text minor. I think that's it. Oh. Hold on. Oh. I thought I had this one already merged. The key mapping. Huh? Change key mapping? I did merge this. What is, huh? I'm a bit confused right now. Okay, stash, rebase. Okay, push. Stash pop. Okay, now that should be correct. Okay. Okay, this change improves texts for text improves object text of tech buildings for all Latin languages. Create pull requests. Okay, then what's the time? 2 hours 24. I would like to do one more thing. Let's change branch, create text Ukraine 4. And so I took notes about mission, this stuff here. So mission objective. We need to look through all these guys and make the format consistent. So here we are missing the colon. And here it is present. Okay, here we see perhaps a bit too much. Okay, here we can remove one of these line breaks. This one looks okay. Okay, okay, okay. All right. This one is missing the colon. Yeah, Arabic is missing translation. Perhaps we should search for this one. Gives us cleaner search result. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Here we are missing another colon. Yep. Perhaps we should just search for this one here. This. That will fix it. Replace. Okay. Then let's do the same for hints. Actually, no. Let's first review all these. Okay. Here we are missing line break. Here we have excess line break. Here as well. Okay, I guess that's fine. Okay, that is all through. Good, then let's do the hints. US hint. So here, oh. Okay, so it looks like we are missing a bunch of hints here. Here. And here. Yeah. There we go. Here we are missing an N. And here as well. Here we're missing hint again. Here we are missing the line break. Here as well. Here as well. This sentence is very long. Yeah, let's keep it for now. But probably needs to be shortened here. But we have a script for that. I think here we can remove this. And here perhaps we can remove this. Yeah, perhaps. Yeah, let's remove it for now. This one is a bit long, but okay. Let's leave it for now. Here I'm missing line break. Here as well. Okay. So this means we should now have 155 results for this. And we do. Good. Then these are fixed. For the mission objective, we can also check. So we should have... We have 64 of this, and we should have 64 of this. 66. Oh. That is unexpected. Let's see why. Aha, there's plural mission objectives. But this is singular. Perhaps error. So there are probably two that have plural. But perhaps in Ukrainian they just use singular. But perhaps it's wrong. Let's search for mission objectives. There are actually multiple ones. Mission objective. Let's see, Meta Michi, whatever this is called. Ukraine, English, purpose of the mission. Okay, maybe it's universal. Oh, here we have a different word. Look at that. Mission objectives. There we go. Then let's name this here. Also this. This. And this. Okay. So we now should have 4 times this here. And we do. Good. Then let's go to... Maybe we should also take a note that this exists here. Mission objectives. Okay, and so now we should have 64 of these, no? 63. Okay, what is missing then? One is not correct. Let's see. Aha, here. See? Always need to verify. Okay, now we should have 64. There we go, 64. Good, so then mission objective is done. Let's look once more on hint, but I think we already checked that, right? US hint, and there was 155, and this one should also be 155, and it is very well. Good, then let's go to warning. US warning. No, 49. 44. Some errors. Okay, then let's check them. First thing we can check is this. Yeah, I already see errors here. And yeah. Okay, we need to go through all. Warning. Not sure why the line break has to be here. Perhaps we can move it here. Maybe that's better. This one is missing translation here. We can probably just take this one here. Yeah. Okay, here we have a different words. Suddenly, what does that mean? Warning. Well, this one is also warning, but I guess we should just put this warning in here. Keep it consistent. There's another one. Warning. Okay, then I think we got all now. Let's see, we should have 49, right? And we do. Okay, good. So that is done, and now incoming transmission. We have 126 of these guys. 126. Ah, hold on, that's not correct. Let's search for this. 90. 90. And 90. Okay, this might be all correct already. So no errors here. Okay, good. Then I think we got this pass done. Basically, we just wanted to fix the discrepancies in these keywords at the beginning of the sentence. It's pretty easy to fix. Okay, so it's not much, just a few things. So call this fix mission objectives. Let's take this. Fix errors and inconsistencies in Ukrainian mission strings. Errors and inconsistencies. Missing line breaks, missing colon symbols, correct words. Fix errors and inconsistencies in Ukrainian mission strings. Okay, for this we don't need special documentation. So here we just say it's minor text. This change fixes inconsistencies in mission text for Ukrainian language. Inconsistencies are incorrect words, missing colon, missing line breaks, effects. Let's call it like this. Hint warning, incoming transmission. Let's make this a follow-up for this. Follow-up for this. Here we need this. Okay, let's make a look over here. Create pull request. I do wonder if we should perhaps fixing on the wrong side. We could probably put this here. And design changes 2228. And here we put this one. What is this here? Okay, so it's 2518 down here. Then we can also put this one here. I'm wondering right now if they are all in their own parentheses or not. How did I document it in others? Let me search for this real quick here. Yeah, okay, always. Okay. So, yeah, we document it like this. Okay, and then we need to push this as well. On that note, perhaps on the previously we merged key mapping. Key mapping closed. Change key mapping format. What did we do here? Somewhere missed. Okay. Okay, let's search for this one here. Okay, let's put here this one. This and that, and for Ukrainian, let's take this one number here. Let's put here follow up for this comment, and then we also put this in here. This and then we search it here 2141 2141, and here we also put this one. Okay, then we have it all properly documented, and then let's put this in this one here, this one, and this one. Okay, documentation, commit, push. Okay, documentation is in. Then, yeah, this is good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's all hints. So we should have 5 as well, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Yeah. Okay. I think this is complete. Good. Then I will take a break now. It has been almost 3 hours. I think we made good progress. Then next video we can merge this change. And then perhaps go through a few more Ukrainian things. And then we can also finalize this one here. And then it should be done, I think. Yeah. Good. Then I hope you enjoyed and wish you a great day or night until next time. Goodbye.